Hello, I'm Adriana. I'd like to talk today about our negative ego. It's all about me. Our negative ego is actually our intellectual mind combined with our negative emotions. Within our ego, we are wanting to build ourselves up by putting others down, caused by our feelings of lack of self-worth. Our negative ego is the reason why we find ourselves measuring and comparing ourselves with others for power and control. Let's give a few examples. Body image, sex appeal, lifestyle image, money, the survival of the fittest. Within our negative ego, we find ourselves using negative emotions to ensure our needs are met, such as self-pity, anger, guilt, fear. The reason why we manipulate others to ensure our needs are met through our negative emotions is also because of our feelings of lack of self-worth and self-belief. These habitual control patterns are often learned behaviours or mirrored through our family conditioning. Due to our feelings of insecurities and inadequacies, we form attachments to external forms of security, such as image, sex, money, status, possessions, people, etc., etc., etc. If we perceive that our external forms of security are under threat, we can be activated into instinctual kill, underpinned by our feelings of feeling bad and sad and even feelings of self-hate. Our instinctual kill can be emotional, psychological, sexual, financial, or even in the most extreme form, physical. Within our negative ego, we can feel burning resentment and blame, and relative to this emotion, want someone else to pay for our perceived threat to our external form of security. This is our instinctual mind and negative ego at work. The internal trigger is activated: attack, defend, fight, flight. Our noradrenaline, dopamine cocktail. Within the nature of our ego, we feel that we're never good enough. Someone else is always more knowledgeable, better looking, more talented, richer, successful, etc., etc. Relative to our feelings of lack of self-worth, we can find ourselves persecuting ourselves or even having feelings of self-doubt. In this victimized mindset, we perceive that something we must have for our external form of security is threatened, such as time, freedom, money, people, relationships, etc., etc. The common ego payback: I'm out of here, emotionally, mentally, or physically. Not present, not here, withdrawn, sulking, shut down, cold, disassociated, nobody home. Our ego wants to be top dog. Unfortunately, there's often another top dog above us. In this mindset, we find ourselves self-involved, self-absorbed, self-indulged, selfish. Remember the ego's two golden rules: what's in it for me and how do I look? In this mentality, everything relates to how it affects me personally. It's all about me, building myself up. After all, I am the center of the known universe. So let's talk about some common ego control patterns. The victim, self-pity. Poor me, poor me, poor me. I am the injured party. I'm the eternal injured party. You did it to me. It was done to me. I'm like I am. I'm messed up because of you. I'm not responsible. You are. You owe me. You must take responsibility. You must pay. In fact, the world must pay. Another common ego control pattern, the pleaser. Please love me. I'll do anything you say, but please love me. Authority figure defiance. Don't you tell me what to do. It's you. Using anger and rage for power and control. Don't mess with me or else. And if you don't like it, you can suck it up or the control freak, my way or the highway, out of here. Another ego control pattern, codependencies. I can't live without my ... cigarettes, etc. I will die without you. I need you. Stroking the vanity. What would I do without you? You're so good to me. The ego's obsessive belief in loss and gain of power and control, driven by arrogance, pride and vanity, locks this mindset in place. With humility and a sense of humour, we can begin to see through the immaturity of this mindset and arrested emotional development. Loving and accepting ourselves and others within all our flaws, fallibilities and failures progressively builds inner security and self-esteem. Thank you. Visit our website shiftingparadigm.com.au